Good morning. Today we are working on the third day of drafting our fable. You guys have done a great job at focusing on the beginning of your fable and making sure that you are setting the scene for your story. So step one, we are going to review our fable organizer and the beginning of your draft that's found on Google Classroom. So let's do that first. Let's look at the fable organizer and review it. So this is mine. So mine is that the moral is that work comes first, then play. The setting is the morning in the desert. The characters are dog and snake. Dog is loyal, hardworking, and focused. And snake is deceitful. He plays tricks on others, and he's not hardworking. My problem is that dog knows that the nighttime is going to be super cold and spends the day looking for shelter. His friend Snake spends the day slithering around playing tricks on dog. Dog gets mad and leaves Snake. The resolution or solution is that dog finds shelter, but snake spends the night outside in the cold. All right, so in the beginning, we introduce the characters and the setting. So let's look at my beginning, where we introduce the character and setting. So this is my beginning. It says, one day, a dog and a snake were at the desert. The dog can be described as hardworking and focused. The snake can be described as not hardworking and loved to play tricks on others. So we're done with that part. So I'm going to unhighlight. So I'm going to press none. And now I'm focusing on this part right here. This is the middle. Let me go back to my direction. It says, step 2, check out this mini lesson. That's the video that we're doing right now. And step 3 is to begin to draft the middle of your story on the doc found in Google Classroom. So let's go to the middle. It says the blank, the hero. So let me go back to my fable organizer. My hero is the dog. So I'm going to highlight and get rid of this. And I'm going to write dog. The dog and the blank, the villain. So my villain, when I go back to here, is the snake. Snake. Or blank. This is the action. What action is happening? When I go back to my organizer, I have 2 options. I can, remember, we're only focusing on the problem. I can copy, so I can make it blue, and I can go to edit, then go to copy, and then I can just get rid of all of this and press edit paste. And this is my problem, and see if it makes sense. So I could say dog knows that nighttime is going to be super cold and spends the day looking for shelter. His friend Snake spends the day slithering around playing tricks on dog. Dog gets mad and leaves Snake. I can just copy and paste that from my middle if I wanted to, but if I didn't want to and I wanted to work with those fill in the blanks, I can do that too. So here's my action. So my action is dog and snake, and these should be capitalized, right? Because that's my name of my character. We're snake, and my action is that they're looking for a shelter. Looking for somewhere to stay, right? Why were they looking for shelter? Are you looking for shelter because it was going to get cold that night? All right. Now I need to introduce my problem and make sure to span the problem. So then the dog spent the day focused and looking all around, but the snake was playing tricks and was not focused. Dog got mad at snake and left him. Okay, that's your middle. Try your best with this. You have 2 options. You can fill in the blanks, or you can just copy and paste your problem from the original, okay? From the original organizer right here. You're not doing the solution. The solution, we haven't solved the problem yet. That's our ending of the story, all right? Now I just need to make sure that it makes sense. So I'm going to reread the beginning with the middle. One day, a dog and snake were at the desert. The dog could be described as hardworking and focused. The snake can be described as not hardworking and loves to play tricks on others. The dog and snake were looking for shelter because it was going to get cold that night. Then the dog spent the day focused and looking all around, but the snake was playing tricks and was not focused. Dog got mad at Snake and left him. Now, don't worry about editing. Don't worry about any of that. Just make sure it makes sense, okay? And we will meet next writing class to go ahead and revise and edit and make sure that it flows just right, okay? So have fun. If you need me, I'm here. And remember, we're only focusing on the middle of the story where we introduce the problem. Have fun.